Vraiment d'innovation, on a deux really fun. There's a notion in my mind just waiting to grow. A spark to enhance SystemeIO, a gem yet to shine. Let's weave it into the fabric, let's make it all align. Oh, SystemeIO, hear my humble plea. Let's shape the future together, you and me. With an action to set custom fields, we'll rise, empowering users, reaching for the skies. Imagine the possibilities as workflows take flight. With custom fields in hand, everything feels right. Personalization galore, tailored just so. Efficiency soaring like an arrow, smooth flow. Oh, SystemeIO, grasp this idea, sway on the roadmap, let it find its way. With an action to set custom fields, will rise, empowering users, reaching for the skies. Imagine the possible sky. From concept to reality, let's make this dream true. With innovation as our guide, there's nothing we can't do. So let's collaborate, let's make this call. Together we'll conquer, we'll stand tall. Oh, I embrace this vision bright. In the realm of improvement, let's take flight. With an action to set custom fields, we'll rise, empowering users, reaching for the skies. With this idea submitted, let's await the day. Custom fields grace SystemeIO's array. For in the dance of innovation, we'll always find new ways to evolve and leave old bounds behind.